Up this road.
Okay, why is it so dark though? Okay, I can see light. Okay, the car, rickshaw coming. Damn, are we continuing our work?
If there were only like one person, I wouldn't continue.
So you bring two people along.
It's a shy.
It's so quiet, bro. Any noise is just like frighten me at this point. I'm keeping my earphones in the thing in case I have to in case I have to run. Like I don't want my earphones falling off.
You will run, man. I'm hitting
Fuck, bro,
them.
that looks scary.
Let's just go down there.
What place is
There might actually be a route to that from here.
Fuck, this looks so sketchy, bro. This actually looks so sketchy. The middle of nowhere.
What is it? The power just shuts off.
Lonavala, bro. Don't talk about that.
Yeah.
Let's put our torches on.
Just imagine the world without just light, bro. It's just like pitch black.
Yeah, no. I wouldn't come here alone though. I'm never.
I would just knock you out and just run away or something.
This is not a place I would come alone. If anything goes out, I'm throwing the water bottle and just printing. Why throw this bottle? I can use it as a weapon.
Come from here. We can't.
Thank God.
Why not?
That hits directly to the railway tracks.
It's probably 3 o'clock now.
2:26.
2:26. There could be a potential kidnapper in the car or two dudes up front. You just.
Have you watched Black Phone?
Yeah, I've seen the
Yeah,
first
yeah,
part. The sequel has come also.
If you see anyone with a balloon, bro, you go nowhere near those.
Yeah, we are taking a U-turn immediately.
You think that will help? You just chase us.
Yeah, but I'm quicker than both of you.
Yeah, I'm going to give you an exact.
Actually, you know what to do? Just remove his mask and just pop his balloon.
Yeah.
Have you
I
watched
mean,
the second
there are
part?
3 of us.
Yeah, but three of us can handle him. That's just the co-pilot.
No, I'm going to be recording that. I'm going to just get this on camera. Like, you all do the.
I'm genuinely glad how we do it.
Okay, this place doesn't look that bad.
It's a road from the train station. The fucker's walking alone.
Yeah, he's cool.
I mean, he probably does it every day. It's like it looks like he's coming back from work. It'll be a routine for him.
We have to take a ride from here.
Right. So we'll go follow him.
Dude.
Oh my god, bro.
We mind our own business. Our dogs do their own stuff. I'm cool. I think dogs are more scarier than humans.
Bro, you know there was a dog. Me and Maldra were cycling.
At least the dogs will like be of some protection to us, like as some warning.
We were cycling South
Warning.
Bombay. We were going down at around 2:30, 2:40 around this road, which had like tall buildings on either side.
Yeah.
And we were going down the road. There was a fucking dog. He's not barking, bro. He's just chasing. He's just chasing us. And I got off the cycle because I know that that's the way you like get it done.
Yeah.
Like you stop the dog. He's not chasing us.
Damn.
He sees another car, bro. He's gone and he's bashed his fucking head against the tire, bro. And then he's come back. He's like, oh, and he's come back.
You think he was possessed? Sean, you good?
I'm good.
I don't know. Your face look kind of nervous.
No, I just don't know.
What's that white thing up front?
It's a dog.
No, like okay, that's a signboard and like a sticker that's
What
kind
are the
of.
dude just comes in sprinting like full?
No, he just like, he's gone past our turn. Imagine we make the turn and he's just levitating.
Scooter.
He's just levitating. His legs are up, levitating. I don't think so. He's levitating.
Nah, we're just carrying our own selves at this point.
He's levitating, and then he just puts his arm out and he just comes like a Jedi, bro.
What if the eyeballs are gone and it's all white, like in his eyes?
We ask him for direction.
We're just scaring our own selves right now, bro. Nothing even to be scared of. We're just like making our own shit up.
This is also abandoned, bro. This is abandoned. Bro.
Yeah, I'm not going in, bro. Fucking human beings, even the snakes and shit in there.
Alright, that will.
That's also abandoned.
They say abandoned, but can you have the
This clip I'm gonna upload definitely. Forget the previous.
Nah, we don't talk about that, bro.
There's 5 minutes.
I can just spoil it right now and just say something else related to that.
No, actually, because like this is actually interesting. Cause like,
We went down this road, all of us.
You know, just going here, we have to also go back.
Nah, it's a round from here.
oh damn, no, that's good. That's good. As long as the place is safe.
Where did the guy go? Hey, nah, actually, where did we go?
I don't know. it
Because
must
we
live-
can't get down here.
What if we just right behind us?
Brody, bro, that scared the shit out of me.
You just walk in like there's some formation. Someone walk backward. Okay, I don't do any mess with these dogs.
The dogs like this.
They don't leave me last. Bro. Just walk in a line. Oh, the police. No, pole, metro pole. Metro pole.
Yes, they just look back at it.
I'm not.
Is that the dude?
Oh,
Where is the dude?
you might just come and like, yo, I am.
What is
Fucking.
that like?
Yo, yeah, did it?
Shit, I'm so sorry. Man.
Malroy. Oh, there's another one. We went like South Bombay before the prelims.
Let me see the dude on a turn. You know, one here.
Where the fuck is he?
I must have gone here, bro. There's a turn over there.
Oh wait, do we go down here?
I think that's more public road.
Oh, you want public or do you want?
I just
Or
said
we
I
go
feel
down
that's a
here, we
public.
go down here, we go down here.
We're just taking like the road less taken, you know. Like.
Yeah, the road not taken.
No, but yeah, so we're taking the road less taken. That's one part of the poem, right? I took the one less traveled.
It's a good hotel.
Dropping elite
There's a dude standing.
Robert Frost references in
Oh,
here.
I think that's the guy.
That's not the guy.
No?
Get up back.
Yeah. He's just an innocent guy, man. All you
Hey,
know.
look what we got here.
You're Sachin.
Scored every century against any of the team, bro. Bro, you know his they
Oh, look at his topple. It's first in Lonavala.
Gooners, bro, they can't even dance.
You saw those videos of those.
It's so sad, bro. Because
This
it's
is-
not them, it's their parents. Down here. Because their parents are the ones who have forced them to do all of this shit.
Yeah.
Oh, Jay, kar do.
I mean, like they probably have a more brighter future than us.
Yeah, of
Like-
course, but we're getting to do the stuff we love.
Yeah, but like, what do we just get slimed doing it?
You're gonna get slammed because y'all don't know how to speak Hindi and y'all are from Vasai, bro.
But what does Hindi have to do with any of this, bro? If someone's gonna slime us, Hindi doesn't matter.
Hindi does matter.
It does?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know to speak Hindi,
You
bro.
don't there's a fucking cap over here.
Yo, fuck this. So why I got so scared of a cap on a tree? Oh, guys, okay. Everyone eyes, keep me alert. Shit. Yo, Sean,
Shit,
no.
I'm so sorry.
This is abandoned.
Yeah, and the gate's
The
open.
gate's open. Bro, it's like telling us come in.
It might be maybe the guy is squatting over here. Oh, fuck. I wouldn't really go in any of these places. Oh, look, it's a school. Looks like a school.
I think it's called Lonavala Goons.
It's a junior college.
I love Goons.
Yo, it's a junior.
Yo.
Yo.
Nah, the staircase of doom.
It's above the railway.
Should I go live on Instagram, man?
Yeah, put it, go call Melroy.
There's a like a Japanese.
Are you sure he's gonna be
There's a
awake?
He's
Japanese.
awake, bro. He's always
Okay, I'm
awake.
gonna call him, bro. I'm recording.
There's a Japanese legend of a demonic creature that's like halfway up. That's halfway cut
Can
and
you
only
shut
the
fuck
top
up,
up.
bro?
Okay, but what's the lore behind that? Like, what
Nah,
does he?
shut the fuck up, bro. Once you cross the fucking bridge, then it's probably-
And she mainly comes around bridges.
Oh yeah, I know
Oh,
what you're
you-
talking about.
Teke.
Okay,
But that's in Japan.
okay. Just Japan. It's really far away. I hope this content sees
I hope
YouTube,
she's
bro.
not in not on
Oh, they
vacation.
started. Yo, by the way, they started new flights between Mumbai and Tokyo Haneda.
What if she took a
I'm
vacation?
kind of scared though. Like, okay,
This is scary, bro.
this is scary.
Come, we go.
This is scary. Look how dark it is, bro.
Nah,
Yo, Sean, you have a phone?
Yeah.
You one phone with a flashlight would help.
I have one phone. With the
You're not calling Mel, right? Okay.
Nah,
Nah, we need all eyes on you.
You know that movie War of the Worlds?
no.
This is one really flop
Fuck, this
movie.
looks scary.
Yo, don't know.
Fucking hurting myself again. This is the train track.
Yes, I heard of this in the bush. Probably animal. There could be some homeless people here. Yeah.
Jets, if you think of that.
There could be homeless people here. It's so dark. I'm going to put flash on.
Train tracks.
Okay.
That's Lonavala
Fuck,
Station.
look at this place, bro.
You can see the train.
When my parents watch this.
I think they'll be more worried if you
follow
came
the
out of your
parents.
life. Yeah, but where are we going?
I don't
Is
know.
there like a route back?
Yeah, from here.
I hope this guy's correct, bro. I'm just walking all the way back here. I like how Sean looking back like as if.
It's a,
What do you think that man will be there?
it's an expressway.
Yeah, I'm just being careful, bro. I know.
Really, yeah.
Like I know there's like They're never gonna happen.
The malls over there, you can see it.
Oh yeah, it's a wax museum.
Yes, these are.
I don't even. I'm looking behind. Like I don't.
Okay, so tell us the road you want to.
So basically,
I don't think we should talk about that while we are at the train track. You know,
so here's the lore for all my horror fans.
yeah.
So basically, there was this one girl who used to get bullied by some girls. So to go home, she used to go by the train.
Yeah.
Every day she goes to the train station. So one day, the bullies, they like tried to bully her and they pushed
There are
her.
a couple of guys away. They just pass. Okay, continue.
Yeah. And they pushed her on the train tracks. And while the train came, and it's separated onto half.
Oh fuck.
Then what did she do after that?
Then she got turned into a demon. And then she has a weapon.
It's also people who get bullied and like the messed up people, man.
Then she becomes an entity. And she has a side.
Hey, we made it alive.
Have you seen that?
Okay, Alan, where are we going now? Right, okay.
And she has a side. And she also like claws.
Fuck, this place is open.
So basically,
Yeah, I feel a bit safer now.
down in train station.
My friend's dad works for him.
For? This dude on the board, damn.
So basically, she haunts at the train station.
Yeah.
And like since her body is like half severed, her spine is like half cut. So like it clack makes sound
Okay.
as a noise. You hear like a tick tick sound on the train in Japan. Like you know it's her. The thing you
Oh,
should do
damn.
is to not turn back.
I like there are rules for this thing, like okay, do not turn back.
Have you seen the liminal spaces one?
Yeah, those rules,
They
yeah.
are very. That's like scary.
But I mean, they make shit about anything these days, bro. Like, it's kind of annoying.
You say that we're gonna go into a liminal space right now, bro.
I think that train, like, from afar, it looked like a liminal space. But then when you saw the train, it was like, yeah, okay.
So basically, if you look back, it's basically over.
Oh, damn.
Because based on what I've
But
heard,
why does she care if we are not the bullies, bro? We didn't bully her.
That
because
was-
she wants to make everyone like her,
Nah.
and she like either uses her claws,
She
and
needs therapy, man.
she can even transform. Like she can like look nice, but then she can just be deceiving.
Yeah. So don't go for any huzz out in the dark alone.
In Japan.
In the train
In
stations,
Japan.
mainly train stations, and apparently she's like her speed is like unmatchable because she can match every speed. So
Like
outrunning
a
us out.
Flash or something.
You could say, because like there's no limit, because there was a movie on it.
Oh,
And, like,
I
a
want to watch
car.
it. Okay, what's the
have you
name?
ever watched those like short films, Japanese short films?
No.
They are like multiple short films.
Yeah, why
in
don't
a
we watch
single
it?
series. Like we were at Melrose House and we watched it. Like there's the one with the balloon of the faces of the people come down and they
I know that.
Yeah, you
it's
know what I'm
it's like
talking,
an
right?
anime type thing.
Yeah.
I watched that. I watched it on Netflix,
Yeah.
right?
So have you seen the one with the
the
lady
bal-
and the hair?
I think I've seen it.
The hair
I
where
watched it last
hair
year.
cuts off and then the hair scares her father.
Yeah, I've seen.
hair
I've
is
seen
alive.
those. I've seen those. Yeah.
Yeah, it's
I forgot.
scary.
It's like on Netflix, right?
Fuck bro, this place is also. How much money do you have?
Nothing.
Why?
I wonder what this other way. I wonder.
So basically, she has the color red, and do not just stay in the train station.
Damn.
Do not cross.
This curvy ass road. What is the McDonald's over here? Damn.
Yeah, I had a nightmare about her once. I was
Yeah? Okay, tell me the movie name though.
Yeah, Teke Teke. It's a Japanese movie.
Tiki.
T-E-K-E.
Okay.
There's also Kuchisake owner.
Oh, Maggie point, bro.
Yeah.
Damn. I actually gonna sit here and
I
have.
think I'm gonna eat.
Whoa, what is this? We gotta get home, bro.
No, we have time, bro.
Yeah,
What are you talking about time, bro? It's 2:40.
that just takes the scariness out of this vlog. You're eating Maggie. I mean, it's a good thing it's not scary, because we would be slimed.
Yeah, those are trenches.
Oh, damn. Learned some Japanese lore.
60. Oh, yes. 60. You have $10.
I have nothing.
I have a hundo. I can pay
Hundo.
online.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
The first time I heard someone call 100 a hundo.
You'll want?
No,
I'm good.
You eat fast though.
Yeah.
Yeah, do I pay now?